Hi, this is Tina Hewitt, Stampin' Up demonstrator in Adelaide, Australia. I've got some new goodies that arrived in the studio yesterday, so I'm going to show you those in a minute. Before that, just wanted to show you these cards we made last weekend at the Stampin' Up on Stage at Home, which is an online convention that we had, and we were able to get some new goodies from the next catalogue coming in January, and we've got we could make these cards, so I made these variations of the cards. So that's what we made last weekend. Because I went to this event, we could get some new things from the catalogue, so I'm just going to go through some of those now. And so the first one I've got here is a stamp set called Planted Paradise. So that's a polymer set. Lots of great images on there for pots. It's quite a decent size, that one. So that'll be nice for general sort of cards, masculine cards, anybody really, any occasion. So that's the first one. I really love embossing folders, and when I saw this one, called Layered Floral 3D embossing folder, I had to get it. So there's lots of really nice techniques that you can use embossing folders for, and so that's my first one that I wanted to get. We were allowed to choose from a select range of products that are coming up in the new catalogue. We weren't allowed to order anything from that yet, but we've been able to have a look, a sneak peek if you like, at what's coming in the January catalogue, and then we were given a selection that we could choose from. So this one, now a lot of my customers are always finding it hard to come up with ideas for cards for the guys. And look at that. Now I think this is just the perfect stamp set for a lot of handy people. Doesn't have to be for the guys. A lot of handy women around. So so polymer stamp set, makes it easy to see through. A two-step stamping, so you can add colours to the tools. And then you've got these fabulous dies to cut them all out with and create a nice background. And and to create some sort of use metal, like foil. Silver foil would be good for tops of the tools, or even gold if you want to use gold foil. But that's a good set. Trusty tools, I'm sure that'll come in handy. Now I also have got to go with that this paper. So this is called Trusty Toolbox 12x12 Designer Series paper. This is actually going to be a freebie in celebration that we call it, in January, February next year. And I believe that if you order the Trusty Toolbox bundle, the stamps and dies, then that will make you eligible to get this as a freebie. So I'd have to check that pricing on that. But yeah, so I just open this packet here so you can see what the paper is like. So I won't take it all the way out. So we've got tools on that. I'm not sure if the dies will cut them out. It would be great if they did. We've got some screwdrivers, a nice plain background on that, some hammers. That's a good pattern, not that one. It looks like those red toolboxes that seem to be around the place. Nuts and bolts and screws, tape measures. I think this will be very popular, so keep an eye out for that, and some other more tools to go with the theme there. So that's a great one there. Then I really like these scenery type stamps that we've had some over the years. Had some a few years ago. that I really liked, and you can build up scenes with that. So this is Hills of Tuscany. It's a polymer stamp set, creating nice scenery cards. Now I'll just show you some bits and pieces I got from a suite. So this one is called Perennial Postage. So this is one bundle in the suite, and I had to get this because I think the dies are going to be very versatile. So we've got these dies, you can do all these different layers on your cards, and we've got postage, sort of that'll be an embossed image on that, and then we've got some nice words to go with that, and then the other part of the suite is this one called Painted Lavender, and we've got these dies here. I'll just open this one. Oh, hopefully this is all coming through okay. So I've got some nice dies that'll cut out some of these stamped images, and some extra pieces there. Long stems. They're always very versatile. Add to cards, just tuck behind greetings or something like that. So that's Painted Lavender. So these two bundles, Painted Lavender and Perennial Postage, are part of a suite. And there's a couple other things that go with the suite. I'm just opening one of these now, which is these butterflies. And I love butterflies, and I was a bit sad when our butterfly dies retired from previous catalogue. But these are all die cut, and they're already cut for you. They're very nice detailed dies, and you've got quite a few sheets of those in that package. So that goes with that. And then there's this beautiful paper that goes with that. Perennial Lavender 12 by 12 paper. I'll just open that, and we'll see what this one looks like. Yeah, I am a purple girl. I love purple. I love lavender. We have some growing in our garden, so I had to get this. So we've got this beautiful sheet here. I have to work out how to cut that one up. And we've got nice neutral pattern on the back, and oh, this is just stunning. There's purple flowers on the back of that. I like that one. That's another lovely background there. And then we've got this. It's got some little butterflies in. Yeah, that's going to be a very popular one. And then we've got this. I'll just take this out a bit further so you can see it's a special sheet. That's going to be interesting. Work out how to cut that one up. And we've got a nice check on the back. Little lavender stalks. Love that purple there. Yeah, this is just stunning. It's really, really beautiful. So it's the lavender suite. And the other couple of bits and pieces I got, I'll leave that there. So this is also part of the suite. Some gems to go with it, purple fine shimmer gems. So that coordinates with that suite. Whoops. And then I have got another celebration item. This is a bundle. So this is one that you can earn if you put in a certain amount. So January. So we've got this nice softly sophisticated 3D embossing folder. So I don't know if you can see that's a interesting pattern. I'll have to do a sample and see what this is. And then softly sophisticated stamp set, and that's a polymer one. So that's a bundle. So that will be a level 2 celebration item. I I picked up this. I didn't want to buy the whole another suite that these belong to, adhesive back cork rounds. I thought that would sort of tie in with the handyman tools and things. So I thought I could somehow incorporate that into those, into masculine cards. So that is my collection. Yes, that's quite a bit actually. I was very tempted to buy even more, but I thought no, I had to stop somewhere. So that's my haul from the a pre-order that we can do as demonstrators, and then in December we'll be able to order even more from the next catalogue, and then customers can order from that catalogue in January. So that's just a sneak preview of some new goodies coming up. And yeah, so if you'd like more information about being a demonstrator or how to get your hands on these things, then let me know. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Hope to have a play with these soon and come up with some ideas for you. See you then. Bye.